Hello everyone, this is Siyavijit Misra and welcome to the master class on Excel. In this series of video, we are going to discuss the basic and advanced concepts of Excel. So first of all, you may be thinking, what is the meaning of Excel? So Excel is basically a spreadsheet which consisting of rows and columns. Okay. So this Excel sheet is basically used by all the professionals who work in the marketing department, who work in the human resource department, who work in the finance department. So we basically use to manage the data and also prepare different reports in our day-to-day activities. Example, if you come to this sheet, you can see this is basically a summary of profit and loss statement. So where we have written the sales, where we have written the expenses, profit and YTD profit and sales percentage, expenses percentage, and many other data. And if you see month and month, we have given the data, so it is very easy to understand for a layman. Same manner, if you come to the next sheet, you can see a budget we have prepared where we have given all the data like in detail. Take the example expenses, all the components of the expenses, how much profit we're getting and how much profit percentage we're getting. Same manner, if you come to the next sheet, you can see this is basically a customer master data. So where we are writing the name of the customer, the phone number of the customer, the street address, city, and many other data, so that we are just maintaining the data so that it is easy for everyone to understand. Same manner, if you come here, we are writing the employees master data. This is basically prepared and maintained by the HR department. So where we are writing the employee's name, employees like department and address. Same manner, whether it is a full-time employee or part-time employee, and when we have hired him and how many years of experience he is having, how much salary he is getting, and many other data. And if you come to the chart sheet, so in the chart sheet basically we are presenting the data in such a manner it is easy to understand, or it is easy to present the data. So if you see like different like category wise, we have just given the data in the same manner. We're just putting in a chart so that it is easy for understand or it is easy to present. And if you come to the pivot table is basically used to what I can say consolidate the data or to present the data in a better manner. Take the example, if you see this A to H like column, so this data you cannot understand anything or you cannot like think anything about this data. But if you come here, this is basically a category, and if you see there are around 4 or 5 region, and based on 4 or 5 region, how many customers are there and how much sales has happened, everything we are writing. So that this data is very much complicated, but we are presenting the data in a simplified manner by using the pivot table. Same manner, if you come here, it is basically a smart art. Smart art is basically used by the department or used by the company to present the data in a what I can simplified manner. So take the example, I'm just designing the structure of an organization, so where the CEO is there and some like what I can say reporting managers are there, or some like general managers are there. So that basically also what you can design in the Excel. So yeah, that's all about the basic of Excel, and we in the next video we're going to like talk in depth like knowledge regarding the Excel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.